Okay, the next one is our CIS3 substitute, and that's very small quantity this time. It's roughly 10 ml. This is for the whole 1 liter 1000 ml quantity, but this one is very strong, so I'm just using 7 ml instead. Okay. The next one is ironing beta ironone. So this beta ironone, and that's also very small quantity. This is roughly 4 to 5 drops, I think will do. It will start to come out. Or roughly 5 drops in there. Again, very strong smell of it. Okay, so the next one, we need musk tea. You can use ethylene bracelet musk tea. So it's 119. A lot of people say it's the same thing, and I think it is the same thing. And ethylene bracelet or musk tea. So that's roughly 120 ml.